welcome to another brand new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can post your article on Yahoo Finance. First of all, I will show you the news of Yahoo Finance. So this is Yahoo Finance. You can easily go to Yahoo Finance by writing yahoofinance.yahoo.com. This is the official page of Yahoo Finance. Now you can see this is the news. Here you have latest news, stock market news. You can see if Biden exit, he could hand their gift to his successor. So many newses are here. So in order to upload your news to Yahoo Finance or Yahoo News or anywhere, we need to get help from a website which is called Newsreach. So you can just simply write down Newsreach. Sorry, Newsreach, REACH, Newsreach, and it will take you to this here, Newsreach PR Tech platform. It is a PR firm specialized in press release. So we need to get help from this page. So, and they have feature. You can easily get feature on Hindustan Times, TOI, Outlook, and other media networks. Yahoo Finance also. They have already have published articles on Financial Express. So if you want to publish your article on Yahoo Finance or Yahoo News or any other websites, so you need to get help from Newsreach. You need to fill up this form, and when you submit, they will reach out to you. So this is a very easy process. If you simply follow this process, you can easily post your articles and news